Cruz, aka known as the AUDIOZONE, here with another day here in the shop, man. Another video for you guys, man. But we are here today. We have a little build that I wanted to bring to you guys in a step-by-step of what we're doing. We have a 2020 GMC Sierra. We're doing a system on the car. He came in looking for some suggestions, looking for options. We kind of narrowed them down to what we wanted to get done with him. We're going to be doing a 2.8 kit on the car with the ported box custom. We're doing a 3K amplifier, the amp, and everything else that needs to get done for the install. He actually came by the other day and set the point for today. He came into the shop today, and I'm going to introduce you to him. His name is Mr. Edwin Navarro. He's the one that owns that beautiful truck. Now tell everybody how old you are.
I'm 18.
18. How do you have a 2020 GMC Sierra?
Mainly because I do online school, so I just work full-time, 50 hours a week.
Where do you work at?
I work in a construction company.
You work construction. What do you do for the construction?
I do framing.
You do framing. Do you work very hard for what you have?
Yes, I do.
You appreciate what you have?
Yes.
You look, a lot of people that are 20 and 25 and 30 years old don't have a 2020 GMC Sierra. You know that, right?
Yeah.
But you know the difference is? The way you focus in your life. Yep. Look at this young man here too, man. We got this guy here. I'm gonna put everybody on the camera today because they'll be acting all shy. He got his hand broken. Tell us what happened. How your wife do that to you?
Man, she beat me.
She beat you with a what? A crowbar. Because he was out there playing with his car. I'm gonna tell you what happened. He went and bought himself a 2020 Dodge Charger. He didn't tell his girl nothing. He came home. She said, "Baby, I got a surprise for you." He walks outside. He showed her the car.
That's what happened.
That's what happened. She said, "That arm belongs to me, not to the car." Nah, tell me what really happened to your hand, man.
You got a vehicle accident.
You got no car accident. What happened? What was the problem with your accident?
You had two big diesel trucks collide together because a third truck didn't want to yield.
Here in Dallas?
On the highway. No, it was in
Houston?
Houston.
Yeah. And you ended up getting caught up in the mix.
Yeah. It happens. Still lucky to be here, though.
Yeah, that's the biggest blessing. You know what? That's the biggest blessing you can count is actually still being here. That is the biggest blessing that we do have. Sometimes we take life for granted, man. Like we think that things are deserved to us. But when you go through a moment like that and you could have been killed and you didn't, it kind of brings you a check to reality that you're blessed to have life. And then we got this other guy over here, which he's acting all shy, but we're still gonna put him in here anyway, man. He has a Cadillac. Tell everybody what's your name, man. Juan. So Juan owns a Cadillac DeVille that he came in the other day. We did him a package for a radio and a bass package in his car. He came in to get it done. I got a question. If I asked you today, what is one thing you'd be grateful for? What would you say?
Being able to work every day.
Being able to have strength, right? Do you have a family?
Yeah.
How many? You got kids? Well, you're Latino, so I'm gonna ask you how many?
So I got two.
2 kids. How old are you?
26.
26 years old, got 2 kids, man. You still with the same girl? Your baby mama. Damn it. How's that feel? Is it drama like they say, baby mama drama? Is that real? You get a lot of drama from the baby mama? It's gonna be all right, man. We're gonna get this going. I'm gonna show y'all his truck. We're gonna leave her out the camera, cause you know. But let me go show y'all this 2020 and then I'll get you guys going in here. We're gonna go show you his baby girl. Now I want y'all to see this, y'all. This is his GMC Sierra. God, I don't know if you can see how beautiful this truck really is, but it is a gorgeous truck. It is a very beautiful elevation series. Look how beautiful he has this truck. And this kid is only guys, 19 years old. Driving this beautiful truck. Now, you know what this tells you guys is that for y'all that don't have good things, man, the reality is you don't have it because you don't work hard for it, or maybe you think you're working hard, but you're not working hard enough. You always see YouTubers and people on Instagram talking about how hard the grind is and how hard we work. Guys, there's nothing different but the truth. You have to really work hard. That means you have to work hard. See, when I go home, guys, just because I'm off the clock at work doesn't mean that I stop working. I go home, I'm working even more. I got things to take care of, paperwork to run, looking at analyzing what the market's bringing, what's going on in the industry, what I need to bring to the store, how do I market the store, what I do to advertise the store. But it's the work that gives you the reward. If you don't work, you don't have the reward. Don't question yourself. If you want to know, guys, honestly, I'm not getting on nobody today, man, but it's just what I feel like talking about today. If you kind of wonder why it is you're in the same place, there's a saying that was said to me. If you have a field and you keep on putting orange seeds, can you expect to get an apple? No. Can you expect to get a tomato? No. Are you thinking you're gonna grow an avocado tree? No. You're not gonna get it because you're planting one seed. You're only gonna be able to pull out the fruit from the seed that you are sowing. So if you sow in the right seed, you'll be able to get the right fruit. If you keep on sowing the same seed, you're gonna keep on getting the same results. So sometimes you have to change it up. Now, one of the things that hold a lot of people back in this life is the comfort zone. Comfort means that you get in a job, and just because you might like the boss or you feel a little comfortable there, you end up staying there and you don't have, now there's the difference. There's jobs that appreciate you, they give you raises and they appreciate you and they help you. That's the place that you want to sit yourself into because you see that you're growing, you're elevating yourself in life. You're able to do things, but there's jobs like, I'm not gonna put places out there, but they'll keep you at the same little $12, $10 an hour, $7 an hour, and you've been there for 8 years making the same salary. You're not progressing, you're not appreciated there. You have to sometimes get out, but you're there because you're comfortable. You're comfortable because you get the same check every week and you learn how to do your life. I'm not saying to change your job, but what I am telling you that sometimes you need to get out of your comfort zone so you will be able to elevate, and I'm gonna tell you a story. The eagle, and look at this, the eagle, when the eagle has his eaglets, his little babies, it comes to an age and time when they're babies that the mother actually has to kick them off the nest and hope that before they hit the floor, they begin to store their wings to fly. On the way going down, I guarantee you that they come from a tree, they're hitting branches, they're hitting leaves, they're hitting things, but before the eagle hits that floor, it should be able to open its wings and begin to soar. And the same thing goes for us. You have to jump off that branch and you have to try to soar. If you don't soar, you'll stay at the same place. Because today you're just gonna elevate, y'all. But I'm gonna show you what we'll be doing this one and the other car we have been working on. I'll be back with you in a minute. We're just talking to that guy up front, man, about the Sierra. We're gonna bring it back here. Look at the other guy that we're just talking to, man. The guy who had the car accident. This is what he's driving now. He has a beautiful 2020 392. Isaac's in the process of working on the lights, that you can see, getting lighting trends done on this car right now. So this is going, but I'm gonna show you guys something else that we get to do in the shop, man. And people don't know it, but we even work on semis. So this guy came in, he has a little base package that went into his semi truck that we're actually building right now for him. And the beautiful part is that since he's inside the bay, as y'all can see there, with Josh, I get to charge him $65 for watching today. That's an awesome fee that we get to charge right now. Oh, he trying to sneak out there, but I got you on camera already, brother. You just can't hide from me now. And the fault is Josh's though. Josh should know better, right? What camera, tell me, comment below. You think Josh should already know better than to have people watching him work, man? What y'all think about that? And look, he trying to come over here on the other side like he hasn't been there. I got you on camera, boss. No, we're gonna charge you at the end. I'm gonna add $65 per minute for watching. Nah, they're trying to get him situated, man. We got his semi truck done here, man. But we had a little incident with a little client, and I want to bring it to you. We installed a system that she brought. She installed it, and just so you know what we deal with in business, and the guys in the front can tell you. So we installed her system, and she took out her speaker box on her own, and she moved. And in the process of moving, she put her speaker box back. In fact, I'm gonna interview a customer about this. How about that? Let's get a customer review on this.
Yes.
Tell everybody who your name is for the camera.
My name is Mike, big truck driver.
Big truck driver Mike. Well, Mike, I got a question for you. We have a lady, we installed a system for her about a month ago.
Okay.
She got her radio done, everything else. We installed a bass box that she brought,
Right.
and an amplifier that she brought. We installed it for her in her car. She gets it installed in her car, everything working properly, no problem. She's on one of our videos. She comes in right now a little upset, saying, hey, listen, you guys did something wrong. I said, what did we do? She goes, I went and moved. Listen to the story. She goes, the other day, I had to move from my apartment to another apartment. So I took the box out of my car, and I did all my moving, and then when I came back and I plugged the subwoofer box back in, my amplifier is no longer turning on. So I asked her, ma'am, did you tape the wires that, when you took the wires off of your amplifier from the sub box, did you tape them? Because if you're moving, wires are gonna touch. Did you tape them? She goes, well, I don't think I have to tape that. I'm like, ma'am, when you have power and ground coming out, you have to tape those terminals or separate them so you don't have that problem. But the thing is that you guys should make it where I could take it off and take it on. I can, ma'am, a subwoofer box gets installed. If you decide to remove it, it can be removed.
That's right.
But you have to make sure that you don't have no shorts. You think that's my fault?
No, that's her fault.
It's her fault.
That's right.
She can come mad at me. She can yell, oh, you guys are, and I can listen, man. I didn't argue with her. I didn't argue with her. Maybe she just having a bad day. I don't know what the situation is, and this is how I see it, guys. Maybe she just having a bad day, and if you listen to me, Ashley, you know we're here for you. But I told her, listen, it's not and it got, the conversation went to simple, Mike. I told her, listen, ma'am, it's not really our fault, but we'll check it for you. Oh, no, she went walking out the door. I think maybe she can have a moment in her life. And people have them. Listen, the people have them, and unfortunately, us on the side over here, we have nothing to do with that problem. But sometimes we get the short end of the stick on those things. Because she got mad at me. I'm gonna wait for a little bit. I'm gonna give her a call. You know, let her know. Let her calm down. Give her a call. Say, Ashley, look, I could check it out for you. I'm not saying I'm not gonna check it for you, but why the attitude? Like, if you're having a rough day, just calm down. Because I'm not your punching bag. You know, I learned that from somebody very special to me. I'm not your punching bag, but I'm gonna give her a call and see what's going on. I'll keep y'all posted in a few. The guest today, we got King Cruz over here. Y'all haven't seen him in forever on the video. What you want to tell anybody in the video, Chris? Nothing. You don't want to say nothing to YouTube? Why? Why? You don't like YouTube?
No.
No? Well, guys, don't support him on his YouTube then. He's out for Cruz.
Don't subscribe to him because he took all my shoes away.
Oh, well, yeah, I tell him why I took your shoes away. Now you want to get that story on YouTube.
Because I have a better collection than you.
No, tell him what's the real reason why you lost your shoes. I'm not into collecting shoes. Tell him why you lost your shoes.
Because I'm doing really good in school.
Say the truth. Don't be a fool. Okay, so now I'm going to tell y'all on YouTube. He got grades that he wasn't supposed to have. So as a punishment, I took away all his collection of shoes. And he's hurting for it, but I think we have to get even tighter. We probably got to make him go to school in polka dot shirts or something to make him understand. What do you think? I thought we used to dress back in the day, but y'all don't like that dressing now, so we're definitely gonna do it here. But anyway, he's here with us in the shop today. And Isaac over there sealing up these lights. You can see he got these DLRs already done on this one. We should be having this one wired up in a few minutes. On continuation this day, we got this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful car that y'all saw that came in for the DLR install. We got the customer came to the shop. How'd you hear about the shop?
Man, it was all through Google Maps, man. I just searched custom headlights, and y'all's was one of the first ones that came up.
Now I got a question. You decided to give us a try. I'm gonna interview myself on this one here with y'all. You decided to come by the shop because you found us on Google. We do want to appreciate the business. My question is, you came in and your first experience, you came and you talked. I guess you spoke to me on the phone, and we had some interaction on the phone. Tell me about that. I just want to interview you on the camera. Tell me what you felt.
It was a good interaction. I came up here the first time. Lighting Trends sent me the wrong lights. We had to send them back. Came back, got the right lights. They look good, man.
Now my question is, how are you feeling about your install, man? Guys, look at him. He is flowing, y'all. He is flowing all the way from the fog lights to the DLR, to the halo, to the snorkel. He is ready to go. He's got that beautiful, beautiful, beautiful car, man. So this is coming out the shop right now. Have you enjoyed your time?
Yes, sir.
If you know you have any questions, you know we're gonna cover you. But the only rule we want to tell you on camera is if you're driving the car, and you see any smoke come out the engine bay, get out, call 911, your car's on fire. Yeah, we're gonna end up this video on this guy, man. He's good to go. We're gonna continue now vlogging on the other GMC we have back there. We're doing that install, man. But we do want to tell you, thank you for giving us the business of serving you today, man. If you're happy, Google and Yelp is the way to do it. You got covered 100%.
Yes, sir, man.
Bobby, you be good. GMC, I told you we're working on. He came by the shop also. I told you guys it's a beautiful truck. This is the loom and the wire that's running from the power. It's still hanging down because I haven't zip tied it, but I'm just gonna show you what we did. We got all the loom on here. Connectors are all done, ready to get connected. This is already coming through. And we also have here all the wires already ran, supported here. We're pretty much in the back of the unit here. This is the back seat that they took off. That's the amplifier Nemesis 3K. We go with two Sundown E-Series 8s on a custom box. On the bottom of it, he should be happy with the results. So we'll continue if we keep on vlogging and getting this done, guys. They're rolling, you can see the amplifier back there. They're getting ready to wrap it all up and nice and cleaned out, but they're doing the sub install right now. We're about to see how this one hits. Let me show you everything that they've done to this. Just so you can see, I know I showed you the wire a minute ago, but now look when the wire's done, how it looks. Where's the wire? Hidden back there, y'all. Everything they're hidden. Here, taped up, fuse block, fuse is mine. So now, what we're doing is we're gonna get this car, we can't put the seat back in yet because we have to tune the unit and get it all tuned up. Right now they're wiring in the subwoofer so that we could do the tune and get this to the customer. They're about to get it going to get it tuned, and we got this mysterious guy here. Say your name for the camera.
Jerry.
Why are you here, Jerry?
Bored.
He's bored, so here goes the saying I'm gonna put in the store, and I'm not saying this so you don't take it personal. But if you got nothing to do, don't come do it here. This goes to a lot of y'all that just come out here to wanna hang out. If you have nothing to do today, don't come do it here, but that doesn't apply to Jerry. Jerry's actually a friend of Josh, and he waited for Josh to get out of work. But there are other people that just come here, they think it's a hangout spot. And I told him I started charging them $65 to come in and hang out, because I mean, I gotta make money somewhere, right? You're entertaining my guys, so I gotta make my money, and that's what I'm gonna do, but that doesn't apply to you. He's actually a cool guy, plus we gotta keep white people around the shop to keep everything safe. What do you think about that?
That's what I'm here for.
I'll be back in a minute, yo. Man, I got a question for you. Was that your truck? Yeah. Was that his truck? I was making all that noise here? Got a question for you, how you feel?
Excited, that shit sounds loud.
I told you, did I lie to you? Where's the guy with the red truck?
Good.
This the guy with the red truck?
Hold on, that's it.
No, you the guy with the red truck. You the guy who, okay, no, now I know why they're showing you shaking because you're so low. But man, he got a beautiful red truck. You had a system done with some JLs. He got one done by us with what we do. What is your reaction? I just want to know how you feel for the camera.
Yeah, I don't know, like,
You got an emotional? I saw your hair stood up a little bit, but I saw that, man.
a lot of bass.
You liked it?
Yeah.
What you wanted?
Yeah.
Did we get to your needs?
Exactly what I wanted.
Do you think I did a good job? How do you compare it to yours?
Yeah, a little. It's better than mine. Yeah.
Huh?
Better than mine.
It's better than yours, really? Well, tell everybody what you got on your camera, on your car.
Some 12 JLs.
We got two 12 JLs and he got a Stealth Box JL, two 12-inch T-Series JL audios, a 3K Nemesis installed by a shop we're not gonna mention. He paid more than he paid. You know what? I'm gonna start something with y'all. If you didn't come to AUDIOZONE, you paid too much. We're gonna start using that in our commercials because people don't seem to understand. It's not about making business with you once, it's coming multiple times, man. I vlogged the truck, it's a beautiful truck. I'm glad he's happy. I'm glad you got to see what we do. And the thing is that you got 12 inches, you got a total of 24 inches of speaker. You got 16, you got two little 8-inch woofers. You got two 8 woofers, you got two 12s. You heard them both, what do you think? What sounds better? Who got more boom? Who did your car again? AUDIOZONE, baby. 1230 North Beltline Road here in AUDIOZONE, man. We're here to definitely get it done, but we got them all situated. We're ready to roll. This one can be signed, sealed, delivered. We'll be done for the day. Want to thank y'all for the views. Thank y'all for the subscription y'all give us, man. Y'all be good and God bless.